Well, it grew out of the CRISP committee. So the CRISP committee is Clinical Research, Implementation Science, and Evidence-Based Practice. And it's a relatively new committee. I think it's in its third year at this point. The CRISP committee really is committed to helping ASHA meet one of its strategic initiatives, and that is to increase the production and the use of evidence-based practice, and we need more clinical practice research. So as a committee, we're trying to figure out what can we do to make our field of communication sciences and disorders more aware of what we should be doing to help improve the quality of our services. There's been this increasing recognition that it takes years and years for evidence-based practice to be adopted and implemented with high fidelity, with adaptations that might be needed for different sites. So we're also promoting implementation science with the new version of Perspectives. Instead of doing something for a particular SIG, we were trying to create something that would have some general utility. Some of our evidence-based practices, if you will, may not be practical at all for clinical practice settings of various sorts. So I'm hoping that there will be more sort of cross-pollination of implementation science and intervention development. So investigators aren't waiting until the end to find out, let's say through social validity measures or what have you, what kind of consumer satisfaction there is, and what is the actual feasibility, what's the uptake of these interventions. We need to be working closely together between researchers and practitioners and administrators and payers. There are a lot of stakeholders that could be involved. And if we partner together, we could be much more efficient in improving the quality of our services. So the other thing that I hope comes out of this is more active engagement with researchers and actually be involved in the research generation process. So we're not just depending upon that translation from research to practice, but actually getting practitioners and researchers working together.